You can sign your parent permission form electronically using Word. And in order to do that, you need to have this tab up here called Draw. Now, let me just show you how it works first, and then I'll show you how to get the tab if you don't already have it. When you open Microsoft Word, and if you have the Draw tab, you click on Draw, and these various pencils come up, and you click on a pen, a black ink pen, and then you simply sign using your mouse. Okay, so you can write your name. It does take a little bit of practice to write it. You can hit the back button if you make a mistake to get rid of it, and then you redraw again. That's my signature, L Downer. Or you can sign it using your mouse. So it does take a little bit of practice on the mouse. You can practice on a blank document first, and then you just sign it here, and then you can simply save your document, save it as a new name. Like you can put your initials before you write in permission form, but you're going to use Draw to sign the document, so you don't have to print it off. If you don't have a printer, if you don't have ink, this is an easy solution. Now, if you do not have the Draw tab on your Microsoft Word program, you can put it in. If you go over to the right of this top portion here, which is called the ribbon has all the tabs and all the little shortcuts. So you go over to the right and you click on the blank space of the ribbon and click on Customize Ribbon. Click on Customize. When this window comes up, and the window allows you to add the Draw tab. See, so yours will probably not be checked off like this, and you need to check that off, and then click on OK at the bottom, which is right here, and that will add the Draw feature to your ribbon. And once you have the Draw feature, you click on Draw, you grab a pen, you go to the document, you can change the ink, you can change the thickness of how the pen writes, you can change it to blue ink if you want, doesn't matter, and then you can sign. Okay, so that's how you can, and then once you've saved the signature, the rest of it you can type in, of course. So you can go back to the rest of it and unselect the draw. You don't want to draw anymore, so you go back to the regular mouse, and you can type in the rest of the information, you know, whatever. Just type everything else, and you can just use the Draw tab to sign where the signature is needed. And then you save it, give it a new name that includes either your initials or your first name or something, and then send it back to me. Okay? Thanks.